Alright, this is a retake of the elevators at the World Trade Center ramp. Last time when I filmed these, I did separate videos with them. But this time, I'll film them by doing both of them. Here we go. We're going to start off with the Otis elevators. We're going to take it to 10 again. This one has a bunch of light bulb in there. Now we'll go back down to 1. Send this one up. Here goes this one. I know the other one's here somewhere. Here it is. Alright. Here we go. It's 10. Here's a view of the Capitol. Top floor of the ramp is covered in snow. Alright, now we'll go back down to 1 now. And then we'll ride the other 2. This road was really under construction the last time I was here. We're gonna let this one close first. There goes this one. Now we'll ride the Westies. Let's take it down first. And it's gonna be this one right here. Here it is. Somewhat littered a Minnesota Children's Museum sticker right here. Right from the Children's Museum. Alright, now we'll go back down. Now we're gonna go down to D. We're gonna take a view of the indicator. Gee, the indicator is really flickering. Jeez. Now we'll go up to 3. And we'll listen to the motor. Now we're gonna go down to D. Oh, where are you guys going?
Down.
This is going down, yep.
Okay.
You're at the top of this top floor for these elevators. Where are you going?
To 2, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm holding the door for you guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Well, once we get down to D, we're probably gonna get the other ones. We get the other one down to my right, or I mean left, sorry. We're gonna start at the bottom first, so we're gonna send this one up, so we're gonna get the other one right here. So far I haven't put any videos down here. Let's get the other one. Yeah, these Westinghouse elevators are hydraulic, and the Otis elevators are traction. Should be here. Here it is. Here's the other one. Open. There we go. All right, here we go up to 3. Let me get a view of this window again. Now we'll go back down to D. Now we'll give you the numbers all the way down. I love this epic motor. This 4 counter is not that flickery. The other one was, so I guess we'll end up with 3, I guess. But that's my longest. Here's our friend Mr. Security Camera. Nice elevator. All right. There it goes. And that's it. By the way, there's the other 2 elevators I've been on earlier. And I guess that'll be it.